Hello everyone, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, molweni, thobela, lochani. Despite the ongoing Senzo Meyiwa trial, Kelly Khumalo is back with season 3 of her reality show. In the trailer of the show, Kelly said, "They hate the fact that I'm the one who did not die that day." This season sees Kelly Khumalo trending after the release of Senzo Meyiwa's documentary, and his trial has already started. She will share her feelings about Senzo's family, Jub Brenda Mtambo. She will be working on her album and her businesses. Mandla Baloyi, Somizi Mhlongo, Sjava, Dr. Tlengiwe Mhlaba will make a guest appearance. At least the trial has already started. Advocate Shololo and Advocate Defo are doing the Lord's work. Sooner we will know what really happened on that particular day. The next celebrity that we'll be talking about is Skeem Saam actor Sibasa Mogale. More people have come forward to open fraud cases against Skeem Saam actor Sibasa Mogale. Brigadier Motlofela Mojapelo told the Daily Sun that he can confirm that cases of fraud have been opened at the Polokwane police station by different people following the alleged investments in Bitcoin through Mogale. The police are investigating a total of 5 cases with an amount of over 800,000. The investigations, which also include any transactions that might have been made, are still proceeding. And once completed, the cases will be taken to the senior prosecutor for further instructions or a decision. The suspect in this case has not been yet arrested. He also encouraged people with similar complaints to open cases. On Saturday, a group of people went to Polokwane Cop Shop to open a case against Sibasa, but they were allegedly turned away. One of the alleged victims, Triforce Kganyago, said, "The police told us we didn't have evidence and that the case is not serious. The police already felt we didn't have a case," but Mojapelo said the police cannot refuse to open cases. Only the courts may determine if there is a case or not. The complainants must go back to the police station and open cases. According to Daily Sun reports, more than 100 people were allegedly scammed by Sibasa. He allegedly promised them huge returns on Bitcoin investments, and it is alleged that he failed to pay them back. Sibasa's attorney told the Daily Sun that he can confirm frivolous and baseless charges of fraud have been laid against my client. He reserves his right to institute legal action for damages against all parties who have injured his name. Well, I think people should learn to record or take videos when they enter into these pyramid scams so that they can present it to the court.
Should things go ugly?
But these are still allegations against the Skeem Saam actor. I really feel sorry for them, shame. People always want to learn the hard way. Pyramid schemes always collapse. And if they really wanted to invest on Bitcoin, why they didn't bother and find information about Bitcoin and how to buy it in a safe way, rather than give it to someone to invest for them. Our next person that we'll be talking about is Mpho Botha, the young real estate agent. Unfortunately, the young gentleman passed away at the age of 21. He was one of the Mzansi's youngest and brightest agents, and his first property deal was worth 18 million rands. But Mpho apparently struggled with anxiety and depression before joining Urban Trend Properties. He has been described as a humble young man with big dreams of enriching the lives of many people. His memorial service was held at Kingdom Academy Hall in Welkom on 2 June. According to Kasi Voice News, Mpho's close friend said he spoke to him during the week before his death, and Mpho told him he wasn't feeling well. One of his Facebook friends, Joanny Johnson, said he was hospitalized about a month ago due to a diabetic incident and had been in a diabetic coma for a while. But it seems that there had been some complications after blood transfusion. Mpho's mother, Elisa Mokodutlo, confirmed to the network that he was in an insulin-induced coma since April at Tembisa Hospital under intensive care unit. May his soul rest in peace. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.